Matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ino Muturi Mwombo, thibitari uyu uri na unyihu munene wa arigitani, undu uria uratuma motungata mekururi na njira nene ona gucungiriria arwaru kuma kaunti-ini ino guthii gwetha motungata kaunti-ini ingi.
Most of patients come from Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Kirinyaga County, even Kitui. And it's difficult for us to stop patients from attending this hospital.
Steve Simba uria ni mumemba wa kamiti ino niugite icera riao ni iramaheire mbica ya giconoko muno amu namba ya madagitari na manathi ni nini muno ikiringithanio na namba ya arwaru aria maretha motungata thibitari-ini uyu.
Shortage of nurses is biting, and especially at the casualty. We cannot have the emergency having only 2. That's why it is taking too long for an emergency to be, that patient to be handled. And what we are seeing is the death, because at the emergency level, when a patient is divided at very critical condition, you need to be, to be well taken very fast.
Kamiti ino yugite misara iria irihago arigitani gikiro kia nathi iria thi muno makiuga giki ni gitumi kimwe kia unyihu wa aruti wira aya aria maretha mawira mathibitari-ini ma andu kiumbe maria mari na marihi mega.
Wa murwaru akraina nasi wake no menye maruta wira na shift, yani umage ukakuma kiroko nginya tuge thaa thita, because it's a lot of work kumenyera murwaru wa ICU.
Kamiti ino ni yugite ni igategemera ripoti yayo bunge-ini ya county kiendekithia kuongererwo kwa madagitari na manathi thibitari-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.